Hello! Today is the last day of the early bird for the pilgrimage into your sacred womb, the 5-week course that I'm offering in February. So it's a 5 Mondays consecutive. If you can make it, we'll be online with sacred circles. We help you to set your own altar and create a space where we can start to deepen into our femininity, to discover more about our sacred gateways. There is so much to know about our sexual centers. There is so much to know about our yonis, about our gratitude spot. So much to know about the cervix and the womb. There is so much. And they all correspond to an archetype. The maiden, the yoni, then we have the mother lova and the gratitude spot. Then we have the crown and the cervix. And then we have the triple goddesses. So we're gonna work with this energy and we're gonna embrace them and do some work. But also it will be very, very, very pleasurable. We're gonna understand how is our body, the feminine body, what we need, and eventually I will create a course for the men as well, so we can both understand each other. If you're interested, please let me know. Today is the last day for the early bird, then the price will go up. So I hope to see you soon, and all my love from my heart to your heart. Thank you.